It's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. I really like it. It's so pretty, you guys. So pretty, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all have been well. So I'm doing another crochet video today, you guys, and I was sent some hair by a company to do a review on, not on this channel, but to do it on Amazon. But I decided to put it in and do a review for you guys. So the hair that I am using is Dansama, I guess that's what it is. The company maybe. So originally when I was ordering it, they didn't have the colors that I usually use. They were paying for it, so I'm like, let me find something that I could possibly use. So the hair that I'm using is, hold on y'all, Bomb Twist. They're like the spring twist hair, I've noticed. They are shorter. Let's see if you can see the size of inch on here. So this is 12 inches and I got, it's 4 packs in a pack. And it's like 12 strands of hair in one, how can I say this? So it comes with 4 packs in here, and each pack has 2 of these in it. So you get 24 in each individual pack, or 1 of 4 packs of the big pack, if that makes sense. So hopefully it'll be enough hair. So the color that I chose was the 1B. They didn't have like the 2 or 4 that I usually use to match my hair color. And for some color to go with this, I just got the T30 that I'm gonna mix with it. So we're gonna see. I'm nervous about this hair. I know I say that on every video, but I am nervous about using this hair. They're really small and I just don't know how it's gonna look on me. So, and then it's shorter, so I don't know what styles I'll be able to achieve with it. So this is the braid pattern that I use. Y'all, this was so rough trying to get it this way. I wanted to not braid it just straight back. I wanted to add some angle to it to kind of help with this hair or make it look a little bit more natural. I also played with the idea of doing individuals in the front or even the wavy parting. But I was like, no, we're just gonna do it like this and see what we get like this. So I'm gonna get started and let's see how it comes out. So if you guys have used this hair before, leave it in the comment section how you guys styled it, or give me some ideas on how you took care of it. It's just really tiny hair. So I'm gonna get started and I'll show you guys throughout the way, and then of course at the end, and then we'll see what we come up with. Okay, I wanted to show you guys where it's hidden. This is a 12 inch, I scooped back some. So I've just gotten maybe like 4 or so put in the back. And y'all, this hair is really soft and it's really springy, just like it says. It's actually really long, but it just springs up. So it's hidden like right about a good length. Actually, I thought it was gonna be shorter. So I think this will still be a good length to like put in a ponytail or wear it back like I usually wear like my braid hair or whatever. So I just wanted to pop in and show you guys where the length is hitting so far. So I've put 2 rows in so far. I'm trying so you guys can see it. So I put the 1B at the bottom, and then on top of it, I put the T30. And I did that because I don't want a lot of the T30 showing like all over. I would much rather have the 1B showing. So I did that, especially in the back, so I can kind of just cover it up, especially just in case I run out of hair, because this hair was pre-ordered. So I don't necessarily know how many packs I'll need, and I can't necessarily run to the beauty supply store and pick up the same hair. So it's a chance that they may not have it. So the color mixed together though is almost just like the passion twist that I had. I really do like it. It's subtle and I like it so far. I like the length. This is the length. So it's still a pretty good length, even though it's 12 inches. So I'm gonna see how it goes. So far I've used 2 packs. I've used two packs, right? Y'all know it's so confusing. I've used 1 pack of the T30 and 1 pack of the 1B. So I have 3 packs of each left, and hopefully I'll be able to finish my whole head. See how close I've been putting them? I've been trying not to put them that close, but I know I failed on this side, so. But it's just 2 rows. I don't think I'll ever wear it up like this anyway. But this is what I have in so far. It's a lot. So I gotta slow it down because I still got a long way to go. So I just wanted to pop in and show y'all what it looks like so far with mixing the 2 colors. I think it's nice. And then so I'll try to, I'm gonna have to pull some out, I know, and then spread it out some more. So keep going. If y'all can see how much stuff I got going on down here. I am almost done. This is what it looks like so far. These are so springy, y'all, but they're light. They are light. This is how much I have left, just this part. And this is what it all looks like together. The colors put together. So it's not that heavy or anything like that. And I'm gonna have to do some filling in, of course. Like up in here, whatever, when I get done, what's left. And I already know I'm gonna pull some of them out because like I said, you worry about the spacing as you're doing them, but you gotta remember that the hair is gonna cover and cover and cover. So I know that I'm gonna end up pulling some out once I get done. But I like it so far. I like the mixture, it just gave me a little color. And they feel really good. And I think with these, I'll probably be able to wear them down some. So I just want to check in. I'm almost done. So when I pop back in, I will be done, you guys. So at least I'm hoping so. love it. I love the way they feel. I like how thin they are. They're really thin and it's like hair, you know. What I don't like about it is not so much the hair, but it's my braid pattern. I hate how I braided my hair, you know. I wanted it to fall, like this side falls fine, but maybe if I would have done these straight back. So the next time I take this hair out and then reinstall it, I'm going to, you know, change my braid pattern, because while I would like to have a deep side part, I just don't know what to do with this, if y'all can see that. I just don't know what to do with it. And I don't like it to like fall. Maybe I'm just being too particular. Leave it in the comment section if I'm just being too much or being too particular or whatever. So I would like to wear it down some, but is that part is bothering me. So yeah, I don't know, but I really like it, you guys. Leave it in the comment section what you guys think about it. This is the length and the width of it. It turned out really good. The colors I was worried about, but they turned out really good too. So I really like it. I'm just trying to figure out how I can wear it if I wear it down, because I do want to be able to wear it down because it's so light, y'all, and flowy like hair. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna figure that out. It came out really good. I'm excited for you guys to try it if you do try it, or hair. It doesn't have to be this particular hair, this brand hair, but if you try this style, like the spring twist, bomb twist, then come back and let me know what you guys thought about it as well. I would love to hear that, you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, you guys. I hope it gave you some insight on this hair. Don't forget to leave me a comment, you guys, a question, whatever you have. If you have not subscribed to my channel, but you are enjoying the content, I would really love for you to subscribe. It doesn't cost you guys anything. Just hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I upload. So I want to just tell y'all thank you for coming through. I appreciate it. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all. I was nervous, but I like it. I like it. Can you tell? More hair.